Hello folks, it's that time again for What's for Supper Wednesday. Let's get started. Alrighty, today we are going to be making cracked chicken. It's real easy. 5 ingredients. You need chicken. You need bacon. We just use bacon bits. Some ranch dressing packs. We made a double batch, so we got 2 packs of those. Some mayonnaise, your favorite. And some cheddar cheese. We're using Sharp today. Alrighty. Now what we're going to need there is 2 cups of mayonnaise. We was going to use boneless chicken breasts. The store was out. They had 1 pack of chicken thighs left, and I had to get them and debone them. But you can use whatever chicken you want to use. It turned out great with the chicken thighs. But alrighty, we're getting out the mayonnaise here, 2 cups. And then we're just going to mix everything up into that. Have your oven preheating to 375. Pour in bacon bits. Gosh, get that pack out of there. It don't take no time to make this chicken, folks. Super easy. And before you go to work or the night before, you could go ahead and have it made up. And then when you get home from work, throw it in the oven. Bake it for about 25-30 minutes. And you're done. Alright, we're just mixing everything together. That's 2 cups of shredded cheese. We went with the Sharp. There's our chicken. After we mix everything up in that bowl there, stir it up real good. There's what you have. Put that on top of your chicken. Spoon it on there, just get it good and covered. Alright, now all those chicken skins that we had left that we pulled off, we're going to lay them out on parchment paper. Instead of pork rinds, we're going to have fried chicken skins. I know there's some people out there, oh gosh, that's going to kill you. But we'll be okay, folks. Just lay them out here. We're going to put some salt and pepper on there. Didn't want to see these go to waste. Like I said, we'd planned on getting some boneless chicken breasts, but I don't know about the stores in your all's areas, but they're getting hit hard. Alrighty, after you get them put on there, we're going to get salt and pepper here. You season them up however you want. Some of that rotisserie chicken season would be good on there also. And here is the finished product, folks. Just got out of the oven. And there's our chicken skins. And there is the finished plate. Mashed taters, chicken skins, and cracked chicken. Folks, I'd like to thank y'all for watching. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Tell your friends about us. And you all have a blessed day. And we'll be seeing you soon. Thank you again for watching.